how's it going? Well, this is where I stayed last night. Not a bad little stop, very peaceful, very quiet, nice. Anyway, this weekend I had all plans of nigh on finishing the inside of that van, but it hasn't worked out. So I've thought, because it's rained since I finished work all weekend, I thought this is the weekend to do the video and see how much it's cost me over the last month to live in this van. I'll give you a little look, see how it's going on, because I'm actually starting to get somewhere. Just before I'm gonna have a ride down to the beach and have a walk along. Do a quick little look inside, see how I'm going on. Getting there. Got my doors on. This here, I'll carpet this around this area, same as the front. Got my lino down, got my sink in, no tap yet, like. Got that tap sanded down and that. Doors on, need to put some shelves in here. Like I say, I'll carpet or whatever I'll do around there. But it is starting to get there. I was actually going to order the material for this weekend. So once I get that done, this finished, I'm there. I'll get my coat put on, because not the best of days, like I say. And we'll have a, just at the bottom of this road here, is like a bit of a beach type of thing. So we'll have a ride down the bottom of this road, and then I'll go through the costs, what it's cost for the last month. This is the bottom, like a bit of a factory there, zinc works or something. If we get down here, this is where we are. Teesmouth National Nature Reserve. Anyway, we'll walk round here, get down on the beach, and we'll have a big crack about the costs. Got it all on my phone here. Let's have a look. Right, I think the best place to start would be my direct debits. So first of all, you have my van insurance. Got to pay it, can't get out of that one, can we? £49.18 a month is what I pay for my van insurance. I think that's quite cheap, because when I took it out I didn't realise what I was doing. Did it online with that Go Compare, clicking all these buttons, and I ended up signing up to have one of them little black box fitted. So I have one of them little black boxes on my van, monitors your speed and all that sort of carry on. So that's that price. After that, you've got the dreaded tax. Pay for that yearly, but I've broke it down to a month, to because it is a monthly cost really. Broke that down to £26.15 a month. That's how much my tax is. Moving on from there, here's the upkeep of the van. Got no money to put in for this month for that, because I haven't spent anything on the upkeep for my van. The month before, I spent £300 on tyres. But as for this month here that I'm doing now, it hasn't cost us a penny in maintenance. So can't put a cost down that's not there, can you? As well, coming out my bank, got my Netflix, which is £12.99 a month. I think that needs cancelling for what they're putting on there at the moment. I've also got Disney, but I get that free through my bank. Don't know how that ended up happening either, but I get Disney free through my bank. There's also my gym membership. Forgot to say this while I was on the beach. That's where I'm at now. My gym membership is £23.99 a month. I think that's a cost that you need if you're living in a van as well, because that's where I get my showers. My mobile phone, I don't pay for a mobile phone, I get that through work. So that's a cost I haven't got. I also use my mobile phone for my internet. Showed before in another video, I just tether my phone to my laptop for internet. That's all I use. So internet costs, things like that, are zero for me. After that, fuel, diesel. Last month I've had a look, I put £80 in that van, and that's all I've used. Haven't even used that yet. But I have been parking in the vicinity of where I work. I haven't been parking, same as this place here, this is only about 7 miles from work. I've been parking within 4 or 5 miles of work. I haven't paid a penny for parking, nothing like that. So I haven't used much diesel and I've kept all them costs down. What I've actually started doing during the week, weekends I might stop up the field, have a look somewhere like this. But as a rule during the week, what I've started to do, I'm just parking in housing estates. All housing estates have public parking, have bits of lay-bys, things like that. And I think for a safety factor, it's working better for me. I feel a bit safer. You know, you've got people around you, you're not somewhere just on your own. So I'm tending to stay in housing estates a lot. I'm not making a nuisance of myself. Half the time no one even knows I'm there. By the time I finish work, get myself sorted, maybe go to the gym for a shower or something like that, or have a bite to eat, people's in the house, they're in the house. So, and first thing on the morning I'm gone, so no one even knows I've been there really. But that's what I am tending to do, is stay amongst houses a lot. So that's my fuel costs anyway. So after that, this is my biggest cost, is food. Cost of me food, what I've spent, I went through my banking app and clocked all this up. Live a very exciting life, don't you, when you've got time to sit and do that, eh? £354, I think a few pence. That's what my food's cost us over the last month. What I actually started to do about 2 weeks ago, I'm going to the supermarket and I'm doing a shop now. I'm not buying daily because I work in the family business. So I've got access to a full working kitchen. I actually do my laundry at work as well because there's a washing machine there. Charge me devices, things like that there. So I'm quite lucky that way. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to the supermarket and I'm doing my shop, keeping it at work in the fridge. So I'm cooking my dinner at work and I'm cooking my tea at work before I even leave. So I'm doing very, very little cooking in the van. I'm not bothering with breakfast because I'm trying to lose a bit timber before I go away. So I'm doing that 16 and 8 fasting thing. So my breakfasts are out at the moment. Don't know if it's working like, but never mind. Now that's my breakdown. That's my costs for the month. That is it. I don't know what else you need really from what I've said. And that comes to £546 for the month. That is what it's cost me to live in this van. But on top of that figure, I've also spent £370 miscellaneous, like eating out, having a few drinks, that sort of thing. So that takes the grand total to £916 for the month. That is everything for the whole month. Now, that's a big saving to living in a house, but I am being quite frugal at the moment. Before I would go shopping, you'd go into the likes of Asda or whichever supermarket you use. 3 for 4, that's on special, this is cheap, 2 for 1. I'd be buying all them. So I'd be buying a lot of stuff that you're not even eating. My cupboards would be full. Basically, I was buying a lot of stuff I didn't need to buy when I was living in a house. So my shopping costs were more. I think you've got to tell yourself, even a bargain costs money. That's what I'm trying to tell myself now anyway. So my shopping costs have come down. Now as well, I think this lifestyle, I think I'm living a healthier lifestyle, more of an outdoors, more of an active lifestyle, because it's not that I feel cooped up in the van. It's just for the likes of a shower. Don't get us wrong, I can have a shower at work, but I don't. I've got to go to the gym for a shower, which means you're actually going to the gym 7 days a week. So you're doing that. Now usually I'll do that on a morning because I'm an early riser. But then on a night, you've had your tea, you come back, you're not just going to sit in this little van. So I tend to go for a walk, or you might go to the gym again, just do a little bit of something, or go for a swim, or whatever you do, go for a sauna. So I do feel that I'm living a healthier lifestyle. I think that's what it's given you. The likes of on a weekend, when you're in a house, what do? You lie on the couch, pig out, just blast through a Netflix series or something like that. So I think it's a healthier and I think it's a more active lifestyle I'm living in a van. So I think you've got that perk. So if anybody's thinking about doing it, if you're watching this video for costs and you're thinking about moving into a van, I'd say have a go. Like, I honestly would say have a go. If you're struggling financially, if you're single like myself, you don't need all them rooms. Have a go. And like what I'm saying, you know where to park. You know your area where you can park. And a lot of people saying, oh, this van life, they're trying to stop it, they're clamping down on things. If your vehicle is tax tested and insured, you can park where any other car can park in your area. Like I'm saying, I'm parking in bloody housing estates, man. So I would give it a crack, definitely. But what I will say, if I was going to do this long term, I would have a bigger van, because like a lot of people will know watching this is only till September, because I'm going away September the 1st. So this is just a means to an end for me. But if I was going to do this long term, real long term, I'd have a bigger van. That's the only thing I would say. But as for having a go, as for saving money from a house, definitely give it a go. That's my honest opinion, is give it a go, have a crack at it. So there you go. There's my costs. Big saving, very big saving. So if you're thinking about it, I'd say give it a go. Definitely have a bash at it. Give it a go. I'll catch you later.